Hello there and welcome back. As I promised, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add plus objects, because this is going to be a game in which you are going to collect points, and I decided to add star-like objects and pixel-like objects. So the pixels, which we add randomly, are going to be red and the stars are going to be white. And for this I have implemented two additional classes. The first one is the star class. It is going to have an isAlive, a true, and the color 7, which is the white, the x and the y coordinates, and we have these decorators that are going to return if the star is alive or not, the color, and it allows you to set the isAlive and the color parameters, because as I imagine, when you move onto a star, it should, let's say, disappear and increase your points. And when you move onto a pixel, the same should happen and the color should change black. So now this is basically all that I have done so far, and additionally I have modified my init function. So I have added the stars and the star pixels, and these define the amount of stars that we start with and the pixels that we start with. So now if I move further, here you can see an array that is going to be populated by stars. We will iterate through every star that we have specified and every pixel that we have specified. Whoops, I think I have made a mistake here. Yeah. And after that, I have implemented also drawPix function that is going to put a pixel out there, but it will not take coordinates and colors. It will take the pixel and will pull the information necessary from that specific pixel. And the same goes for the draw star. So it's not that high quality graphics, but it's similar to a star. And it will also use the properties of that star to draw basically lines that are crossing each other. And now, basically what needed modification was the update function. So when you, let's say, move right enough, your coordinates become higher than the maximum window width. And the problem is that after a while your box will disappear. So now what happens is when you move, let's say, the right button or the up button, it will also calculate the modulo minus 10 of that specific coordinate with the pixel's height or width. Okay, this was also a mistake. But basically, this will move the box from the right of the screen before you flow off of that to the left side of the screen, and it will react the same way, basically. So now, after that, the draw function was modified, and this draw function, all it will do is iterate over our stars and pixels and draw them. And basically, this is the function that I have achieved so far. So how about we check out how this looks. So this is how the basic window looks when the pixels are generated. And when I start moving here to the right part, if I reach the side of the screen, the box should appear on the left side. Yeah. So let's see, if I move to the bottom part, it should appear on the top. So it will never get off the screen that you have. And the next part, I'm going to implement this collision detection that is going to take care of, let's say, showing the points that you have and destroying the items that you have crossed. So basically this is all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching.